Well, this is unfortunate. Completely off the bead. We're gonna see if the old trick here works. My only problem is my good air compressor. Yeah, good friend borrowed it, didn't return it. You know them. He might be one of those people. I won't tell, but oh man, that sucks. I got a little very puny air compressor. I don't know if it's gonna help or not. We're gonna give it a shot. Guess could have kicked on the blade. Well, don't think so. Although, might not have done any better or worse. We're gonna try this. Have you ever tried this before? Did it work? Yeah, ratchet that thing up. Okay, step 2. Fingers crossed, both of them. Hopefully it's charged. Okay, set the mode. No flashlight, sorry. Come on. And just like a fool knew what he was doing. Always keep a ratchet strap around, because otherwise how would you do that? Got lucky this time. We just got lucky.